Grilling with charcoal takes a little more time and attention than grilling with gas, but the payoff is that delicious smoky flavor you just can't get from a propane flame. After spending 2 days cooking 40 pounds of burgers, barbecue, and whole chickens, we recommend the Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill 22. Thanks to more than 6 decades of continuous refinement, it's the most versatile, most user-friendly, and best-performing charcoal grill we've tested. Though the basic design has barely changed since 1952, Weber has added helpful details over the years to improve the overall cooking experience. This latest iteration, for example, has convenient hooks on the side handles for hanging your spatula, tongs, or other tools. But what really sets the premium version apart from the standard 22-inch kettle is the enclosed ash catcher, which makes cleanup easy and eliminates concerns about stray embers. Assembly is dead simple, and the construction and materials are sturdy. Add its solid warranty and well-regarded customer service, and the Weber Kettle Premium Grill is the best value going, gas or charcoal. If you're buying a grill, your first decision is which type of fuel, charcoal or gas. Charcoal grills have several upsides. Heat: charcoal burns hotter than propane or natural gas, and that means charcoal grills can produce a better sear on steaks and burgers than gas grills can. Cost: you can get an exceptional charcoal grill for $150, whereas a truly good gas grill will set you back 3 times that. Flavor: many people, including the Times' Sam Sifton, find that charcoal grills produce better flavor than gas. It's not that gas produces off flavors. It's that charcoal imparts a familiar and delicious smokiness. And once you master the techniques, charcoal grills can indirect grill at least as well as gas grills, and outperform gas grills when you're slow smoking large cuts. That said, gas grills offer 3 big benefits over charcoal. They make controlling the heat easier, so you're less likely to overcook or burn your food. They turn on with the push of a button and a twist of a knob, saving you time. And they don't produce ash, so they're cleaner to cook on and maintain. How we picked. Going into our research, one thing was obvious: the classic Weber kettle would be the centerpiece of our test, because it has dominated the charcoal grilling field for years, and for good reason. If you know what you're doing, it's an exceptionally versatile piece of equipment that's equally adept at basic grilling tasks and complex, competition-level slow-smoked barbecue. And because the basic 22-inch Weber kettle's iterations, the plainer version lacks an enclosed ash catcher, cost between $90 and $160, we also set that as our general price range. Because of its dominance, the Weber kettle has spawned a lot of copycats. In our research, most proved to be cheap knockoffs that weren't worth the minor savings. The basic Weber kettle is $100. The cheapies, maybe $75. We resolved instead to find a kettle that could compete with the Weber on performance, price, and value. But we also opened our search to include charcoal grills of different designs. The fact that the kettle shape dominates the charcoal grilling field doesn't necessarily mean it's the ideal. Maintaining your charcoal grill. Charcoal grills, as pieces of equipment, are simple. Fortunately, so is their maintenance. Clean the grates before or after each use by brushing them free of cooked-on gunk and wiping them with a wet rag. Oil the grates after heating them. Before you cook anything, it'll help keep food from sticking. Empty the ash box after each use, but not immediately after. Give the ash at least 12 hours to cool down. Make sure to double-check before dumping the ashes into a garbage bag or trash can. If the ash catcher is even slightly warm, the ash inside is still a fire hazard. Don't be tempted, however, to use water to extinguish the ashes faster. Water plus ash equals sodium and potassium hydroxide, better known collectively as lye, caustic alkalines that readily burn flesh.